Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the currency or item to rename, one rename card, or the diamond cost, so nothing interrupts the flow. Once you've got that, search for an invisible Unicode blank like U plus 3164 or U plus 2800 and copy it to your device clipboard. Then open Free Fire, go straight to your profile and tap Change Name so you're ready to paste. Do this now before navigating away, because the window times out and costs will still apply. Next, paste your desired visible text into the name field and insert the copied invisible Unicode character exactly where you need the empty gap. This acts as a spacing character the game accepts when normal spaces are rejected. Make sure your total name length stays within Free Fire limits and test with one blank first to confirm it displays. Once formatted, preview how it looks in the input. If it appears as a gap, you're ready to proceed and submit the change. Finally, confirm the change and accept the diamond or rename card cost to finalize the update. Once done, check your profile, lobby, and friend lists to ensure the blank space renders properly. If the server rejects the name or it collapses back to a continuous string, try the alternate invisible Unicode character or remove any additional symbols. Sometimes one filler code is blocked while another works. If errors persist, wait a few minutes and retry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.